make cider. It's silage season, and this is how you make silage. My name is Tom Cullinan.
It's May, that means it's silage season. A lot of farmers will be starting their first cut of the year.
The farmer will mow the field and then wait 24 hours for it to dry out or wilt.
It's 24 hours later, and now the silage is done, and it's full of protein and nutrients.
It's raking time!
The rake turns over the silage and helps it to dry out further. It also makes it easier for the harvester to pick it up.
The harvester collects the grass, chops it up and sends it to the silage trailer.
The silage is packed closely together in the pit to reduce the amount of oxygen in the pit. Now it's time for the science bit.
The farmer covers the pit in plastic. This allows fermentation to begin. The sugar turns into acid, and now the silage is ready for winter feeding.
Bye!